Hi guys, it's Samira, and today we are going to be making slime. So I have already tried it, and it turned out really good. And I'll just play with it.
Now I'm just going to stretch it out because it's not really bad to put it in.
How it is and all that. So
take it all out.
Just take it out.
And I hope it's still really good. Now it's really sticky on my.
It's so like stretchy, and like if you want to do it.
So if it's sticky like that, I'm going to just put it right back in there. So it's right back in there.
And it's kind of stretchy, but not that stretchy, but it's still like it.
So I'm going to just keep doing this to it.
So I'm going to be showing you how to do this.
So we're just going to keep on.
It's not really fluffy slime. It's like more like a jiggly slime.
We don't got foam. That's why it's really like this. It's not fluffy at all. Because we
don't got shaving cream or foam or anything that you have. But yeah, so
I'm gonna give
but it turned out great. So yeah,
it's really like this.
So
and it's really
now. So the first thing you have to do is put in 1 cup of water. So I got my water.
So I'm going to just put it on a table like this. I don't know. It's too sticky. Well, it's gonna have to stay sticky for now. So I'm just going to keep on exceeding it.
Then you are going to have to pour this up in your small bowl that you have. Pour it up in there. Okay, so after you are done with that, you have to do 1 teaspoon of borax. So
my sister's really getting it
1
good.
teaspoon.
I'm getting messed up. It's really sticky, guys, and I don't know why this is so sticky. Something wrong about it. You know what? I'm not gonna end this video, but I'm just going to end it for pause it really for a quick second, really, because. That just can be called.
So I got 1 teaspoon of borax, and then just pour up in your small bowl that just did.
Take some water and pour it on there. So I'm just gonna grab some water. So
And then stir it up until it all dissolves.
So I'm just gonna pour water up in there. Pour it all around. There we go.
Then after that, in your big bowl, you have to put half a cup of water. So I need some more water, so I'll be right back. So I got my water, and I have to find a half a cup. So it's 1/3, half a cup. Then just pour in your water. And then pour it into the big bowl. That's not a half. Okay, now that's a half. And pour in your big bowl. Then after that, you have to get your glue. This is the fun part. Your glue, and then pour in half a cup of that. So let's open it up.
Grandma, where did man go?
So let's get your half a cup again. Then pour in your glue.
What up, guys? So today I'm going to be making slime. So the slime is not like this. Instead, I use borax. So today I'm trying out a new tip. It's with Tide and glue all. So the thing you're going to be needing is Tide. Any Tide it works. I'm using this Tide, and you're going to need a bowl and a spoon and your glue. This one's half open, so I'm just going to be using that.
So all of it is out.
So first thing, you're going to take your glue. You're going to pour in how much you want. I'm not going to pour in a lot, really, because I'm trying this out. So I don't know how this is going to work. So I'm trying this out. Then I'm going to take your
I guess that's all of it.
Then you're going to open it up. You're going to pour some in a little cup.
Then you are going to pour your glue up into your big bowl.
You're going to pour
So
it in.
I'm going to need a spoon. So I got a
Oh.
spoon to scoop it out. So let's.
It's really turning into slime. Everything's working now.
So let's just spit it out. Spit it out.
Hey guys, so this is really turning out to be slime. I'm so happy, really. That's why my voice is so happy, because every time mostly when I make slime, it never turns out to be slime. It's all loppy and ugly and everything. But now it's working, I'm so happy. And if it's like sticky like this, I'm gonna add some more time.
Okay, I guess that's all out. Then you are going to stir it up until it's just watery. Not no zoopy, watery. So it's all mixed up, and then if this is so optional. This is really optional. You guys don't have to do this. So I got food coloring, yellow food coloring, and of your choice. You can do green, red, and I don't care.
Why does it have to be so sticky though?
And a few drops of food coloring up in your small bowl. Then let's just scoop out this.
I'm gonna do what you're doing. This is just too sticky.
Then stir it up. I'm gonna add in some more food coloring because it's not the white thing I want. So that's about it. Stir it up. Okay, then after that you are going to add your small bowl into the big bowl. So just do that. Just add it in. And then after that you're going to start kneading with your hands. So it's going to be really messy. Okay, so see? Kneading it with your hands, and then after a while it won't get sticky. It'll just be slime after a while. So after a while you keep kneading it, it will just don't be sticky and it'll be slime. So yeah. See, it's like already starting to not be really liquidy and start to be slime. So let me just spit it all out. Spit it all out.
So I got my colors, and so I don't know how you do that.
Wait, I'll tell you in a minute. So you just spit it all out. Then you just start to do this with it. Then after a while, it'll start to get hard. Well, it won't get hard. It'll just be all thick, and then it'll be slime. So I'll be back to you when it's like hardened and thick. So after a while, it just starts to be yellow, and it starts to get thick and not sticky. And I've already made the other one. Yeah.
Okay, then we.
So thank you guys so much for watching. Comment down below if you want me to do any more slimes, and like, subscribe, and share. Bye.